the sunny savanna, tall and bright, lives a giraffe with spots of light. He wears a scarf of red and blue and waves it proudly,
just like new.
He strolls through trees with neck so high, his scarf flutters up to the sky. The zebras laugh,
Oh, what a sight!
a fancy giraffe dressed up so right.
He twirls around with gentle grace, a happy smile upon his face.
The monkeys cheer,
Come dance with us.
he joins their fun without a fuss.
The wind blows soft, it's quite a show. The scarf swirls fast, then flutters slow. He wraps it snug when breezes play, and hums a tune through the golden day.
When evening paints the sky in gold, his scarf keeps warm though nights are cold. He snuggles down beneath a tree, dreaming of scarves in colors three.
Red for joy, blue for the sky, yellow for sunbeams passing by.
He wakes and says with a little laugh,
I'm proud to be the scarf giraffe.